haven't even started the video and I've already burnt myself. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Eleanor. I hope that you're having a great time. So today we're going to be doing a how I curl my hair video. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So first things first, if the lighting's messed up, don't worry. It's only 1 p.m. and the lighting, it's like black outside. I had short hair for about 3-ish years. Oh my god. And I want my long hair back, so I'm in the process of trying to grow it out. Yeah, I don't think there's really anything else to say before we get started. To curl my hair, I use this. This is by Runnington. I don't know, you can buy these at Target, and that's where I got mine. This is like a tapered wand looking one. I don't love this one, but it's what I got, and I lost my other one, so that's my next best thing. If you have super short hair, probably like here-ish, you don't even have to curl like those underneath pieces. Oh my god, this lighting. I really don't know why it's so dark. It's only 1 p.m, okay people? The sun shouldn't be setting yet. If your hair hits your shoulders, your hair's like no. So that's what that is. So I'm going to start in the back, and again, I don't worry about the ones that fall. My iron is at 380 degrees. Don't burn yourself like I already did. And I don't have to hold them very long because my iron is so hot. Yeah. So yeah, and I normally do like 2 wraps in the hair. And again, I like to, once I'm done, I'll go back in and add some more tighter ones. But again, I curl away from my head for every curl. Where the hell is my camera so dark? So I changed the setting like for the lighting on my camera. So I like to kind of tie it up as I go. So I'm going to take this hair tie out and I'm going to pull up the bottom part. Okay. So I put up the bottom section of my hair. We're gonna curl these like 2 sides. I need to go find another hair tie. 1 second. I'm just gonna pull this side back so that it can kind of just stay out of my way. So we're gonna focus on this side of the head. So I'm actually just gonna put music in here, and then you guys can just watch me do this part. So now that I've finished curling this side, I'm going to take out this hair tie, and I'm actually going to pull back this one. Look ridiculous. So now I'm going to go on and curl this side. I just put them together, and now I just let them sit for about 10 or 20 minutes like this in the where they are right now, and then I'll be right back to finish it off. So guys, it's been about 10 minutes. We're back. Now I'm just gonna take out the ponytails, and now we have this, and no one wants this. Also, over time, this will turn into more of a subtle curl like I had in my first video, my like simple holiday glam video. But first I'm gonna go in with hairspray. But now I just run my fingers through it to just give it that more longevity. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna tease it. And then I just go in and I tease right at the root. I just use a brush, like my normal hairbrush. But if you want to use like an actual teasing brush made for teasing, or like a comb, works as well. And then if there's any type of teasing like on the outside, you just kind of brush it. And again, this is kind of like where you can kind of customize it to how you want it. If you want your hair to be really big or more subtle, or if you want to comb it out a lot more. Actually, flip it to a side. And here is the finished hair. Just, you know, give it a spray, give it a little fluff here and there. And then this will last a couple of days. I'll sleep with it either up and like this, and then I'll wake up and it'll kind of just turn into a wave, and then once it kind of gets into a wave, it kind of just stays like that until I shower. Yeah, that is how I curl my hair. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoy. So, great day, guys. Bye!